CeflaLive, it's a great event. It's like a trade show, but it's better than a typical trade show in that we get more intimate interactions with the customers. You know, they can bring their product, they can run materials through the machines, and you can sit there and talk to them specifically about what their challenges are in their facilities and work through that and provide them finishing equipment along the way.
Highlight of my day, apart from lunch, was meeting everybody who's coming in, and people who we've known for years who are in finishing and people who are just starting to get into it. So there's a whole range and a whole spectrum of people that attend an event like this.
I have always found them to be a very valuable resource, not only for an investment in equipment, but in the development of technology and controls that help us provide our customers with optimal solutions.